Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is me, Muhammad Umair Qureshi, Scientific Tutor Academy owner. Here I am today in front of you to let you know how to get registered in Scientific Tutor Academy. On WhatsApp, you can get the link of online membership form. If I click on that, there is an online membership form which will be opened in your browser. Quickly reading out for you. Scientific Tutor Academy annual membership form for online tutors all over the world and home tutors in Pakistan. Right, so this is the form for not only for home tutors but also for online tutors all over Pakistan and all over the world, specifically for those regions in which the online tuitions are very common. Right, and for all major and minor cities of Pakistan, the tutors can get registered. I have mentioned some of the cities like Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar, and Islamabad, but you can get registered wherever you live, no problem at all. Right, so these are the terms and conditions if you want to get registered in my academy. So you will have to pay either 50% or 75% of first month's fee. Right, if you pay me the registration fee 1500 rupees at the time of registration, then you will have to pay 50% of first month's fee. But if you don't want to pay me anything and you just want to get registered free and then pay me after getting the tuition, then you, in that case, you will have to pay 75% of first month's fee to me. Right, payment should be transferred within 24 hours, and minimum eligibility criteria to get registered in Scientific Tutor Academy is to be at least second year university undergrad student of some university and must be possessing at least B grade in intermediate. Right, and for female tutor is at least intermediate, and male tutors must have their own CNIC in order to get any tuition. And if and for female tutors, they must show either their university ID card, college ID card snapshot, and their parents or any of their parents ID card snapshot for address verification. Right, so these are some of the rules which you need to read before applying in an academy. So the major I have already told you. Now, after going through all these rules, right, one more thing is very important, that if the tuition comes out to be of 1 month to 2 months, so the commission will be reduced from 50% to 30%, subject to tutor's demand. Right, this is now the form rules have been over. Major rules I have already told you. So now I'm filling a specimen form for you. Name here, you can click on that, so this will be open for you. So here I'm writing like Muhammad Ahmad, gender male, highest qualification with institute, university name. If you are a student of that institute, then mention semester or module 2. Right, so if I'm writing that I am doing BS from NED and in electrical, in fact this would be BE in from NED in electrical, and I'm studying in 4th semester. Right, for instance, and complete address, right, current as well as permanent address. If you have your current and permanent addresses are different, so you'll have to write both, like current address, complete address, you will have to write house number 123, street number 4, X, area Islamabad. Right, so this is, and primary WhatsApp number you have to write. If you are the resident of Pakistan or wherever, you can write like plus 923312345789. So this is your primary WhatsApp number. And what is your religion? You will have to click on that. And CNIC number you will have to share here, like 4235545678099. And now you have to select the board from which you got passed. Remember that you have to select the boards from which you got passed, not your targeted boards. Like if you have done metric, so you cannot click on O level, but if you have done O level, then you cannot click on matriculation. Similarly, if you have done intermediate, so you cannot click on A level. So if I say that I have done matriculation, and then, or if I initially did O level and then I did intermediate and afterwards I did my BE, which I am doing now. Right, now the date of birth, month, days and year. So here you have to click on that to write the month, like 9th month, and date is like 23 and year is 1999. Like, okay, now this is okay. Emergency contact number must be different than your own and it will be used in case your mobile is out of reach. So here you have to put the mobile number of your parents. Like if you write here father 0345 1238907, for instance. All are fake. I am writing just because for you. Have you ever taught or currently teaching any school? If yes, then write the names of all those schools, right? So this will increase your worth as a tutor. So if I have taught in Beacon House school systems or City School or Head Start, whatever, wherever you have already taught, you will have to write that, and in the end you will have to provide some proof of that through WhatsApp. Teaching experience as a home tutor in years, like 5 years, 4 months. And now, very important, which type of membership do you want to get? Select anyone. If you have any confusion, then read the rules and regulations again. So either you want to go for normal membership and pay the registration fee this time at the time of registration, or you want to go for free membership, don't want to pay anything. So in first case you will have to pay 50% of first month's fee as academic commission, but in second case, if you don't want to pay anything, then you will have to pay 75% of first month's fee as academic commission. So I am clicking here, like I don't want to pay anything unless I get some tuition successfully, and out of that fee I will pay the share to the academy. Which of the following academies have you ever already joined? If any other, so mention the name. If these are some of the academies, so like I'm clicking on Tutor Bank, and there is some other academy, like I say that Tutors Point Academy I have joined, which is not here enlisted. Now the specialized classes. Select all classes which you can teach well enough. Be careful, please. Don't click on all of them. Click only if you are expert enough. Like if you are capable to teach metric, it's not necessary that you are capable to teach Montessori as well. But if you have got guts to teach, if you have got experience or qualification for being Montessori diploma holder, then you can click on that. And if you can teach intermediate, pre-engineering or pre-medical or inter-commerce and even higher classes, then you can click on them, right? Or if there is some other class which is not written here, then you can write here as well. Which foreign languages can you teach efficiently? If you can teach professional level English, or along with that you can teach Arabic, then you can write. Or if you see that there is no other language you know, like Persian, so you can write here Persian. So other language you can add yourself, right? Which is international. Now the subjects of interest, you need to choose which subjects you are expert in, you want to teach. So if you are from pre-engineering, so definitely physics, chemistry, maths, advanced would be yours. If you are from pre-medical, so physics, chemistry, biology and English. And if you are from commerce, so you can go for business studies, accounts, economics, finance. So as I am from NED, so for instance, so I can click on physics, chemistry, maths, add maths, right? And if I am Hafiz or I have studied Quran Pak with Tajweed, so I can click on Quran Pak with Tajweed as well. Okay. Now the targeted areas of Karachi. So here, if you are specifically, most of our teachers are from Karachi, so we have distributed Karachi in different areas. But if you are not Karachiite, so you just go down and write here the city name, like Lahore city, Islamabad, Peshawar, Multan, or any other city. Like if for instance I am from Sialkot, so I will write here Sialkot, right? I don't need to click anything else. But if I am from Karachi and I have to choose different areas, like I live in North Nazimabad and my university is in Gulshan Iqbal, so I can teach in both two areas, and on the way from university to home I can go for FD area, and near North Nazimabad is North Karachi, so I can go to that area as well. Like, and near Gulshan Iqbal is Gulistan-e-Johra, so I can click on that as well. And as far and along with the home tuitions, I can go for online tuitions as well, so I will click on online tuitions option as well, right? But if you are not from Pakistan, from other country, so you will click on here and then you will mention the name of that country. Like for instance, if you are from USA. At last but not the least, here is the oath that read the rules and regulations of Academy written at the top carefully and click below after reading carefully if you agree to follow all of them. I take the oath in the name of Almighty Allah, tutors from religion other than Islam should consider their own God to take this oath honestly. That I have read, understood, and agreed to abide by all the rules and regulations of Scientific Tutor Academy, and that I will never violate any of its rules and will always remain loyal with its management. So if you will click on that after reading, then you can submit that. And after submitting this form, you will get this message that thanks for submitting your response, dear tutor. Now Academy owner Mr. Qureshi will assess your form and get back to you from 03312131 for remaining membership process. Just save this number and wait for the response through text message or WhatsApp, please. Right, so here you can edit your response if you want to edit, or if you want to add another response with for some other tutor, so you can do for that as well. So after doing that, you will have to wait for the response, and link of this online membership form I'm writing it below in after this video in the description. You can find the link of this form. Thank you very much.